Quick thinking and presence of mind helped an NBI asset/narcotics informant elude certain death in a gunslay ambush attempt in a middle-class community in Barangay Holy Spirit in Quezon City. The details of this assassination try in this report.
In a broad daylight, this SUV was pulverized by unidentified suspect in Quezon City. According to some witnesses, there was a man inside the SUV who tried to escape from an ambush attack. Some establishments like this bank and some vehicles were damaged because of the gunfires.
Nakita ko namin yung biktima ko siguro na lumapit dito sa store namin at pumasok. Eh, wala naman ho kami magawa para itaboy siya dahil nakapasok na ho siya sa pinto namin eh. At natakot na rin ho kami, hindi namin alam yung gagawin namin.
Witnesses immediately called the police and the victim was immediately rushed to the hospital.
Itong sasakyan is going Commonwealth. Then kinat siya ng suspect on board the Toyota Vios. Na ito na, bine-verify namin yung plate number ng Vios kung may naka-registered nga ma'am. Kinat din, pinuputukan ng baril. Allegedly nang ikat siya, makita niyang bumubunot ng baril yung nakasakay sa Vios, dumapa na siya. Then after siya putukan, tumakbo siya going sa direction na yon.
Aside from the targeted victim, the police says there were also 2 bystanders who were hurt. All of them survived. But when the SUV was opened,
base doon sa nakita namin sa bag niya is merong timer na ginagamit sa mga shoot test. So possibly na pumuputok siya sa mga shoot test.
the National Bureau of Investigation confirmed that the targeted victim is an informant who has contributed valuable information to their anti-illegal drugs campaign. Authorities are still investigating the possible motive of the ambush. Daniel Manalastas for The Nation.